Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has 20 packs of collagen firming sleeping mask. So this is the collagen firming sleeping mask. Here, I ordered this through Lazada and I'll be giving the link below in the description box. In one box, there are 20 packs of like this. So collagen firming sleeping mask. Moisturize and tighten sleep out of the tender muscle. Here is a closer look of the product. This one. So as what you have seen, one box is still covered or sealed like this, and the other box is already opened because I already started using this 3 days ago. Yes, so I have used already 3 packs of like this, and my experience was there was what we call as freshness of the feeling. Yes, it was not actually like there was no pain, there was no stickiness on the face. It's just a natural collagen with no other painful feelings. So this will be now my 4th day of using this firming sleeping mask. I decided to use this because I have skin problems. Yes, at age of 40 plus, early 40s. That's it. I have these marks here. By the way, in this video, we have no filters used, and we are not also using a ring light. By the way, my ring light is there, behind the electric fan, there. So, this is the natural look I have. It's a little bit oily. My face is oily, and then that's why I decided to use this collagen, because at this age I'm now 40, earlier 40. Yes, and I have so many skin problems, so I need to do a remedy with my facial problem. Yes, so I am trying this because I know that from the different reviews I've read, there is no what we call as very painful, very not so good, what we call as reviews or effects using this sleeping mask. Okay, so I'll be showing you my first picture when I use this mask. Okay, then also in this video, I will also be showing you how to apply this mask. So I have just washed my face. So let's take 1 pack of this. And you only have to do this. Just watch this video. still have more packs in the box. Okay. So I have just applied one sachet or pack of this. Okay, so we have more packs here in the box. And I think I would love to apply this. I hope that I won't forget that every day I have to apply this. Okay, because usually I only apply powder on my face after washing or after taking a bath, and that's it. That would be enough. But now, because you know we're getting a little older, we need to do a facial skincare, and I hope that this would help. I'll be also showing other videos about the effect after using this mask for 10 days. Okay, so as you have seen, this is my face, the effect on the 4th day. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video. Bye everyone.